So I'm Matthew Garside, and I'm a 3-year apprenticeship with Haynes Museum. Not every single car. I'm assigned particular stuff to give me a bit more experience, which has been good. I think they're starting to get to the point where they're giving me some project cars. Well, I've gone through sort of every mechanical piece on it and compiled a big list of everything that one's doing. It does need some work. The way you change gears on that car is it's got a column shifter they use quite a lot on the older vehicles, and the indicators are also on the steering wheel. They sort of pop out from the sides, but someone has also previously installed flashes on the front and the rear, but neither of them work currently.